Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a demo and review of one of the Assorted Cauldron bath bombs from Bird Bath & Body that was a part of their 2019 Halloween collection release. Now I'm not actually too sure what this particular bath bomb was scented in, but it did smell kind of spicy to me, so it may have had some sort of pumpkin spice sort of element to it, but I'm not 100% sure. Now, if you guys have been watching my Halloween demos all of this month, you will know that I actually really like to play around with the Cauldron bath bombs, so this one was really fun for me. The only thing was that the fake finger, the little severed fake finger that's sitting in the cauldron was really creepy to me, but it was still lots of fun, super spooky and Halloweeny, and just all around a good time. Again, if you've been around a while, you will know that I am actually a brand rep for Bird Bath & Body, which means that if you would like to make a purchase from this website, all you have to do is put in at the checkout my code SPIRITUAL15, which will give you a 15% discount off your order. Now, because Halloween is this weekend, that means that I only have a couple more Halloween bath bomb demos to come, but I hope that you guys are still looking forward to those. And I hope that your spooky season has been a super good one despite what is currently going on in the world. I hope you guys are enjoying my content, and if you are, please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and while you're there, why not click that little bell icon next to the subscribe button to be notified every single time that I upload a brand new video. And if you enjoy this video, please be sure to click the like button. Let me know in the comments down below what you'd like to see on my channel next. Thank you all so very much for watching, and until next time, bye bye!